Congratulations on your new A2Z heat press. To unbox it, simply open it up, remove the power cable, set it to the side, remove the styrofoam, make sure to check any instructions and warranty card that are included, and then we recommend a team lift. Something I want to point out is never lift the A2Z heat press from the control board. That can damage the machine. So with one lifter on the front side of the machine, the person lifting from the back side should grab right at this post to be able to lift the machine out and then support it underneath and place it on the table. Once the machine is into position, take your power cable, plug it into the back of the machine, open the machine, and then plug the other side into the outlet directly into your wall. Make sure you don't use a power strip or an extension cord and that you dedicate a 20 amp circuit to operate your A2Z heat press. The next step is to flip on the power switch. It will illuminate, and then we can begin to set the machine with the temperature required.